Hey everyone, I'm Ace. Welcome back to my channel. Over the years, many new technicians have been unclear about what tools they need to be successful. In this video, we'll take a look at some basic tools that are required for entry-level technicians.
Most shops won't have enough lighting, and most areas of vehicles won't have lighting at all, like under the vehicle, so you'll need a good flashlight to see what you're doing. I like to use flashlights that are rechargeable, that way I don't have to constantly buy batteries. There are many different types of oil filter tools. Which one you use will depend on the oil filter type, the space that's available, and your level of comfort. Never use tools to tighten traditional metal oil filters, since this can puncture the oil filter and cause leaks. If normal tools can't remove an over-tightened oil filter, large adjustable pliers can be used if there's enough space. Some cartridge-style oil filters have plastic caps that can be removed with special sockets. Always use the correct socket sizes to prevent damage. A long handle ratchet will have more leverage, making it easier to loosen or tighten bolts. The black socket in this picture is a 12-point. The chrome socket is a 6-point. Using a 12-point socket on a 6-point bolt can lead to bolt damage. Always use the correct socket size and type. A torque wrench and impact wrench with impact sockets will be needed for tire rotations and other services. An accurate tire inflator tool will help you to be consistent and save time. Brake pad thickness and tire tread depth measuring tools are also helpful for reliable inspections.
Keep in mind, these tools will get you started, but you'll need to grow your collection as you gain experience. I know as a new technician, the prices of all these tools can add up quickly. One suggestion I have is to buy used tools from experienced technicians. They'll often sell you these tools at a fraction of the price. This can help you to save money while you gain experience. If buying tools right away is not an option, borrowing is usually okay, but keep in mind that there is an unspoken and unwritten rule in the automotive field where if you need to borrow a tool 2 times, then you should probably buy one for your own use. If no one will lend you tools anymore, and you're forced to buy tools, many tool trucks that visit shops will offer a payment plan where you can spread out the cost of the tool over a period of time. This is another way you can have access to tools without spending too much at once. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.